Kita akan ke kota dengan menggunakan kereta.
Okay. Do you have one? That's for you.
How to do this?
You don't have to do anything. Here, just give me that now. That one's good.
$7. $2.
Seniors.
Oh, habis. Berapa dibayar di sana?
$5.
$5.
Do you have one?
Yeah, I touched him.
Okay. Can you hold on to these because I don't have one for myself. It's for these two.
Yeah.
Both touched on. Right.
Ya, kita menunggu kereta di sini. Memiliki selaku kota. Kita mau ke mana?
Kita mau ke pusat kota.
Pusat kota.
But I'm too scared. Or just like,
Hey, Hin.
I just can't deal with the
we are-
stress of every time. Like thinking what will happen. Now that I'm working, it's like, I don't want to be so embarrassing if someone from your work saw you getting like tickets.
12 minutes.
12 menit
Last time
lagi.
we didn't touch on like 3 of us, yeah?
You never touched.
We never touch. Oh, because you're local.
It's so fun.
Yeah, it is. 50,000.
Yeah. What is it? $5 just to get to the city.
One
But the
way.
maximum, I think, you only like pay $10.
A day?
That's so much.
Sweet.
So
Yeah,
expensive.
50
I
bucks
mean-
a week for me to go to work.
Yeah.
It used to be $1.80.
Really?
Like
Do you remember?
15 years ago.
Yeah.
Oke, sunyi sekali ya. Oh iya, Agusti. Mas Barura. Iya, sunyi nih. Belum datang keretanya. 10 menit lagi.
No, but in Brisbane they changed it to 50 cents fares everywhere, yeah. The government did before the election, the state government, but then they lost the election anyway. But then the new government like had to keep it because everyone would be angry if they changed it back. That's what the Greens want to do for, they reckon, for Melbourne in their local council. I know, yeah.
Nah, kalau sini kita harus bawa air terus dari rumah karena mahal sekali juga air. $3. Keretanya sudah datang.
No, I mean, there's bigger fish to fry. They do blitzes. So they disappear for however long.
Sudah jam 12.
And you don't really see them for a long time. And then they're just fucking everywhere. I saw them the other day on the train.
On the actual train or at the station?
they get off. They get off.
Are they wearing like uniform?
I just wait out here so I can. There's probably PSOs in the room just there, so I just want to vape.
And you'll get in trouble for vaping.
Yeah.
Oh. Ini anti tikus di atas nih. Ini apakah itu?
Musang.
Oh, musang.
Mana?
Ah, itu di atas. Dia boleh supaya jangan lewat musangnya di atas.
Oh ini
Oh iya.
Tupai.
Oh,
musang.
tupai. Oh.
Posi apa karangnya itu?
Nah, keretanya kayaknya sudah bunyi dari sana. Mal ko andakaran ni ang pompit. Okay. Natur pet lo kandaka ang pom. Ini. Nah. Kita sekarang berada di sini. Kita mau ke Melbourne University via St Kilda Road, Swanton Street. Lalu ini mau mantap pompit. Oke mbak ya. Terima kasih. Untung ada orang baik bisa bawa kita ke jalan-jalan ke sini. Sekarang mulai panas. Tidak sama kemarin dingin. Sekarang sudah melasu. Sudah sama di Jakarta. Malas semua. Lolong pura mau aku ta. Oke. Tak semua mak aku ya. Kemarin ini tidak pernah keluar. Makan nasi, iya, tadi pagi. Sudah sarapan.
You wanna see the uniforms?
What's that? Iya.
Which one?
This is what they look like. Ticket inspectors.
Siapa itu?
Oke. Ini yang biasa pergi razia kalau kita ndak tap home.
Oh.
No one else checks your tickets. This guy.
It's only this one and
Yeah, but they always look like that. They have the vest on.
Best. Like a handle.
Berapa tadi satu ongkos ke sana tadi berapa dolar? 7 ya? 6. Apa? Melarikan dompet. Kan dia bawa di kanan jauh kita ya. Nah ini ada Coca-Cola di sini.
It's
Ini
you.
keponakannya namanya Kayla, apa? Kaya, bukan
Kaya.
Kayla. Kaya.
Kaya, say hello.
Hello. Kaya. Kaya.
I can't tell what you're doing on Saturday.
Yes.
What is this? That's not all. That's like a
That's the
special
old
one.
school one.
Berapa
It
menit
used to have
lagi
a
kereta
stick figure
datang?
on it.
I think so, yeah.
5 menit lagi.
Oh, 5 menit lagi.
They used to have this
Oh, kereta datang 5 menit lagi. Oh,
stick figure.
Kita mau ke kota
Oh, with
berarti
the
nanti
same,
stopnya
with
di
the halo
Flinders
of the
Street.
same. I get it.
oh 25 menit.
I love that. But what are they? What's he holding?
In the
Like
street.
the crest.
Panjang.
Berapa jam ke sana? 25 menit. Ke tujuan kita.
25 menit ke Flinders Street.
Kalau ini yang 45 menit,
Oh.
Yang selanjutnya.
oh selanjutnya.
Oopsie daisy.
I wonder what
Ya, 4 menit
73
lagi.
73. When
on the other side's got 73.
the
Wait,
old
do I
stuff.
got 7?
Oke, Andre Sandino. Dia
Is
naka
in
duko
year.
bay. Oh, dia niya. Udah duko bay dulu.
1973.
Lilis Eric. Lapar di kandel.
Maybe that was South
Nasi
Premiership.
goreng nagarangkan.
True.
Lili.
But
Ini
because
pintar
there
bikin
was
nasi
another
goreng ini.
there was
Bang
another
Chris.
team that became St Kilda.
Dari 3 tiang bambu. Oke, Rongga Senta.
What?
Tiang bambu sekali mengudara 2-3 hari menghilang. Oke, baik. Oke,
They play
baik.
in Moorabbin. I think.
Kalau di
it was
kampung
kind of the south-
frekuensinya pitu-pitu misa. Kalau sekarang di sini 911.
South Melbourne became
Oke,
Sydney.
ada
Oh,
juga
yeah.
Rickmond
When
di
I went to
sana.
that
ada
talk at the library
Virginia.
about South Melbourne,
Ada
they were
juga
talking
ini
about the history of the
Rickmond. Apa itu Rickmond?
But I think they were talking about old
Richmond.
St Kilda.
Station juga om.
Something.
Oh, stasiun.
Stasiun
Oh no,
juga.
maybe
Tidak
it
aku
was.
tahu juga ini.
And
This
there
one's
was,
called Windsor.
Oh, what's Richmond? You know it?
Richmond?
yeah,
Yeah.
we'll go past that.
Yeah. Someone from Americas, from USA,
Ah.
say is there Richmond, like in
That
Virginia.
was the surprise. I was
Yeah, Richmond, Virginia.
Oh,
We're still waiting for the train.
pitu misa.
we're-
Oke. Rango Santa.
So we'll be
Pitu misa. Sekarang sini 911.
10,
Kalau kembali lagi ke kampung pitu misa.
I'm going to lose the track.
We'll see the last.
Oke, 2 menit lagi
We'll see.
kita.
Yeah, it
Okay.
finishes at 12:45, so we're
Maybe.
only going to catch the very end, which
The
is
dragon's
sad,
lake.
but
The
we'll have to
dragon's
run.
lake.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's the year of the snake.
Last
Alright.
time it was the Leo.
Oh, Richmond, kota Virginia, Amerika. Oh,
Do you know what year you were born in?
Maybe it's like
For Chinese New Year?
5:45.
Chinese year?
Yeah,
What year are you born?
we fucked.
semoga nanti ada rezeki kita jalan-jalan juga ke Han sebelum kita meninggal. Oke. Enggak asik
You're-
tonton iya,
you're
enggak asik
nine.
iya.
You're turning
Kalau enggak
10
asik ya, skip saja ya.
So you were born in
Nggak usah.
2015.
Ya.
So
You
I'm Leo of the lion.
goat.
No, I'm Leo of the lion.
Oh.
I'm the Leo. I'm Leo.
Well, that's in astrology. This is in
Kita cuma
Chinese.
dokumentasi
way.
untuk simpan-simpan nonton kembali
Oh
nanti.
yeah, China.
Kalau mau nonton
You can
ya
be whatever
silakan,
you
kalau
want.
tidak
You
ya
don't
skip
have to
saja.
be your Chinese
I'm
one.
Leo.
Oke.
You're Leo.
911. Oke,
Yeah, I
Rango
know.
Senta
But in
911.
Chinese New Year, you're the year of the goat. But Chinese New Year, it's not based on
Nah,
months.
Rango kereta.
I'm here of the rat. It's not very cute being a rat.
I think I'm a what's it called? Rooster.
Rooster.
Just a cusper. I thought I was a dog. But because it's what?
Gimana?
Start of February.
Kita duduk di mana? Seru begini ya, ada yang posting di sana. Itulah kita jalan-jalan di sini.
This is service to Canvas Street, starting all stations direct to Canvas Street.